Hey guys, hey, and welcome back to my channel. Pardon my pajamas, but I tried to record this before I took my shower, but I decided I just needed to hurry up and get in the shower. It's a crazy, hectic day. The kids are being loud and crazy, and I haven't even edited my video for tomorrow, and it is already 9 o'clock. So, doing the macros for tonight. So today was, I don't know. Today was today. Let's just get into it. Like I said, 50,000 times. Okay. So I had 18 out of 21 carbs. I had 158 grams of fat out of 135. So I did go over on my fats. I had 120 grams of protein out of 97. I went over on my protein. And I had 1,995 calories out of 1,692. I went over on my calories. It wasn't with my dinner that I went over on everything. And it was more or less my breakfast and my lunch. So I looked up the information for the Wendy's Southwest avocado chicken salad wrong. I was under the impression that it was 3 net carbs plus the dressing, so it would have been 5. Or I'm sorry, plus the dressing, thinking that it would have been 4 altogether. I was wrong. Plus the dressing, it was 6. I wasn't adding in the dressing. I completely forgot about that. And then I also had the son of a Baconator plain. And so then that's like 2 carbs. Is it 2 carbs? Yeah, because of the cheese. And so my lunch alone was 8 carbs and a lot of fat and protein. My breakfast, I had another damn bar. I need to stay away from those bars. I have them now, and I used to have them all the time in the house, but I would not eat them. But there's something about the last week that I just want to eat them. And I don't know what has changed. I don't know if it is because I was on the pain medicine, the steroids, whatnot. I don't know if that has anything to do with the craving of the sweet, of the texture, the candy bar like flavor, because I hardly ever ate breakfast in a while. So why I'm suddenly wanting to eat them even though I'm not hungry, that is a concern of mine, and I don't like it. I said yesterday that I wanted to fast today, and I totally didn't do it. I just did not do it. I want to try to do it again tomorrow, at least fast until lunch. And I'm going to really try to do that tomorrow. I gotta tell myself this. And I know I'm putting out these videos and I'm saying these things and I'm not doing them, but you know what? I'm being accountable because I'm not lying to you. I'm being honest with you. I'm telling you this is a struggle. This is how real people struggle. I'm not a perfect person. I make mistakes. I fail. I succeed. I'm just like any one of you. Everybody falls down, but the important thing is you get back up. I'm not giving up at all. I'm waiting it out. I know I'm holding on to some water from some medicines from that time of the month, from just things. I know I've eaten some things that I probably shouldn't have. But I mean, that's it. So you heard what I had for breakfast and for lunch. Dinner, I had bacon, eggs, and sausage. Just kept it simple. I wanted to kind of stay away from some vegetables because I was eating a lot of vegetables, and I didn't know if maybe that, and if that doesn't work, then maybe I'll eat more vegetables. I'm just playing around, trying to figure things out. I did get a Keto Mojo today, and my ketones were 1.1, so they're really low. I did test like right before dinner though, so I think that they're higher up in the morning. Not sure. I need to do more research on that. My finger hurts though. But yeah, all right guys, I'm just gonna end it here. If tomorrow's video is not up at noon Eastern Standard Time like it usually is, don't fret, it will be up. So I will see you guys tomorrow night. Bye. Make good decisions.